Hey teachers! So, welcome to our channel. So, isa sa mga bago ng program ngayon ng DepEd is yung tinatawag nating ARAL program. So, for our video today, i-discuss natin kung ano ba talaga yung program na to and ano yung sample class program na pwede natin gawin. So, I am Teacher Jed and welcome to my channel. So, ang ARAL program ay gagawin every Friday. So, based from DepEd Order number 18 series of 2025, ito ngayon yung papalit sa tinatawag nating Catch-Up Friday. So, alam naman natin na yung Catch-Up Friday, ito yung dati natin ginagawa every Friday. So, now, ito po yung bago, yung ARAL program. Ngayon, based ba sa ang DepEd Order ito? So, based from DepEd Order number 18 series of 2025, ang ARAL program will focus on reading, math, and science and for struggling learners. So, yan yung focus niya. Yung 3 major subjects halos. And skills. So, ito ay good for grades 1 to 10 ngayong school year 2025 to 2026. So, nandyan po yung focus niya and yung frequency nito ay every Friday. But then, ito naman po ay pwede ring during weekdays. But then, of course, alam natin na medyo mahirap yan para sa atin. So, based from this DepEd order, pwede siya na kapag Friday na lang. So, AM and PM. So, ngayon po, papakita ko sa inyo yung sample class program sa ARAL Friday. So, kung makikita nyo po dyan, pwede nyo pong i-pause na lang tong video. So, ito po yung everyday activity or sa Friday, then with the corresponding time and the learning area and strategy or method that I will use. Okay, so 7:45, may 8:30. So, pakitingnan nyo lang po dyan yung sample class program, which is pwede nyo po itong gayahin din or i-modify nyo. It's up to you po. Or baka if may mas maganda kayo nagawa, pwede po dyang i-comment sa comment section. Okay.